In a world where upholstery steam cleaning often falls short, one company stands above the rest with unparalleled excellence. With our carpet and upholstered furniture are renewed to as-new condition, there's no such thing as too dirty. So get in contact today. Introducing Crawford's superior unique vehicle mobile service. A unique engineering design has converted our van into a pressurized tank fortress. This hot steam cleaning method blows our competitors, well, out of the steamy waters. We're proud to be a witch-trusted trader with genuine local reviews. If you've previously failed to get clean rug and carpet results by using an off-the-shelf wet vacuum, prepare to witness a transformation. Andy and Karen are so confident that the offer of a free in-person carpet consultation is yours with a free trial patch test too. Our mobile service delivers superior results, powered by decades of training and expertise. Our professional cleaning fluids are child and pet safe. Our dog-owning clients love our pet hair cleaning prowess. Our one-of-a-kind mobile vehicle was actually designed and built by Andy. His specific system operates independently with its own water supply and heating system, ensuring no additional cost on your utilities bills. Save money and avoid replacing your carpets by choosing Crawford's. We have a handy calculator on our website if you'd like to compare the cost of professional cleaning versus a new carpet purchase. Our advanced formula cleaning solutions, combined with industrial-grade equipment, extract dirt from deep within the carpet pile, leaving them pristine and pleasant smelling. You won't believe your nose. With over 23 years of experience, we have proudly served a diverse clientele, from hotels like the Marriott Group to private Airbnb properties, earning 5 gold stars with customer reviews over the decades. If you have pets, we can help. Our custom-built water-carrying van is perfect for properties without electricity or water supply. A great idea when moving into a home with the old carpets in place. Heat is just a switch away, making Crawford's a reliable choice for any cleaning challenge. Join our repeat and valued customers throughout Somerset, Bristol and Weston-super-Mare. We service the M5 corridor for larger projects, including extreme clean for messy tenants or homeowners with mobility restrictions. Experience the exceptional power of Crawford's superior engineering with our steam cleaning mobile service. Book your free patch trial today in Weston-super-Mare, Breen, Banwell at your local Somerset location. Crawford's, we don't cut corners, we clean them. Text or call us on mobile 07815814128 for the ultimate cleaning experience.